In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a WordPress site. If you've ever wanted a quick backup of your content, needed to move posts and pages to another site, or just want a snapshot of your work, the built-in WordPress export tool is the simplest way to do it. You'll just need access to your site's dashboard, ideally with administrator permissions, and a stable internet connection so the download completes smoothly. Start in your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, look for Tools, then click Export. This takes you to WordPress's native export screen, which is designed to bundle up your site's content in a format other WordPress sites can read. It's straightforward and safe to use, and it doesn't change anything on your live site. On the export screen, you'll choose what to include. If you want a complete snapshot, select All Content. This option gathers posts, pages, comments, custom fields, categories, tags, navigation menus, and any custom post types your site uses. It's the best choice when you're migrating a site or creating a comprehensive backup of your written and structured content. If you only need certain items, you can choose specific content instead. For example, picking posts lets you narrow down by author, category, date range, status, or even specific content types your theme or plugins add. Similarly, selecting pages limits the export to just your static pages. This is useful when you're collaborating across sites or archiving particular sections without carrying everything over. Take a moment to set these filters carefully so the export includes exactly what you expect. When your selection is set, click Download Export File. WordPress will generate a single file in the WXR, or WordPress Extended RSS format, which uses the .xml extension. Your browser will begin downloading it right away. Depending on how much content you selected, this may take a moment. Once the download completes, store the file somewhere safe and easy to find. You might consider labeling it with the site name and today's date so you can tell versions apart later. A quick note on what's inside. The export file contains your content and references to media, but it doesn't embed your image and media files themselves. That's normal for WordPress exports, and the file is still perfectly valid for moving or archiving your content. And that's it. You've successfully exported your WordPress site's content using the built-in Tools menu. Keep the file secure, and you'll have a reliable snapshot ready whenever you need it.